Out here on a commercial job site. Gotta go up that ladder, get to work, and get some air conditioning, even though it's 65 degrees outside. We got customers that need our help. And as you can see, there's 5 different rooftop units. So how do you know which one is which? Well, today we're working on that carrier and that carrier in lovely Dallas. And this floor is super slick. It's almost like it rained, but it did not rain. And so we'll be working on this today and get into the panel, open it up, see what's going on.